Ribosomes are the granular structure first observed under the electron microscope as a dense particles by the George Pallidae. George Pallidae was first observed the ribosomes under the electron microscope. These are granular structure. They are composed of ribonucleic acid RNA and proteins are not surrounded by any membrane. These are not surrounded by any membrane. These are composed of RNA and proteins. The eukaryote ribosomes are 80s, while the prokaryote ribosomes are 70s. The eukaryotes having 80s type of ribosomes, while the prokaryotes having 70s type of ribosomes. Each ribosome has two subunits, larger and the smaller subunits. Each ribosome having two subunits. These are the two subunits. One is larger subunit, another one is small subunit. The two subunits of 80s ribosomes are 60s and the 40s, while the 70s ribosomes are 50s and 30s. We can see here 80s ribosomes having 60s and the 40s ribosome, and the largest subunit of the 80s ribosome is 60s and the smaller one is 40s ribosome. These are the two subunits of the 80s ribosome, 60s and 40s, while 70s ribosomes are 50s and 30s. 70s having the larger subunit is 50s and the smaller subunit is 30s. Here we can see the S is a Sedgwick's unit, stands for the sedimentation of coefficient. Very important. Sedimentation of coefficient. S represents the sedimentation of coefficient. It is indirectly measure of density and the size. It is the indirect measure of density and size. Both 70s and 80s are composed of two subunits. We already discussed the 80s ribosome having two subunits. One is 60s, another one is 40s, while the 70s ribosome contains two subunits. One is 50s and the another one is 30s. This is about ribosomes.